Hey everybody, I'm Dav Pilkey, and today we're going to learn how to draw Petey. Petey starts out very simply with just a circle at the top. And then his body is kind of rectangular. Sometimes it's a little curvy like I did there. And his face is pretty simple too, just very simple lines. 2 lines for the eyes, a little circle for the nose. Notice I always leave a little bit of white space on the top so that the nose looks like it's shiny. And then a line going down and kind of a curved line going across. We want Petey to be happy today, so I make these smiles that are very, very simple. They're just kind of like the letter D sideways. And then you draw another line across it and a few lines down like this just to make the teeth. And then if you fill in the bottom, it looks like his mouth is open and he's having a good time. Now, Petey has 3 little dots on each side of his face, but he only has 2 whiskers on the left side of his face, or Petey's right side, and 3 whiskers on the right side of his face, or his left side. Now we have 2 triangles for ears, and you'll notice that if Petey's happy, his ears stick straight up. But if he's sad or embarrassed, his ears point out to the side. But since he's happy today, we're going to have his ears stick straight up. Now his legs are just curved lines and 2 little bumps for feet. And for his arms, we're going to do 2 more curved lines like this. For this one going down and this one going up. And the hands are very, very simple. It's just like drawing the letter U 4 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we add some stripes for the arms. And stripes for the legs. And you'll notice that he doesn't always have the same number of stripes on his arms and his legs. That's okay. And then his body. Usually Petey has 5 stripes, 5 horizontal stripes on his body, but not always. Sometimes it's different. And then we have a curved tail. Petey's tail is flat at the end. And then add some more stripes. So this is Petey, my friends, and I hope you had a good time drawing him. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.